Hi everybody, and welcome back to Investment Corner. I'm Bill, your host. Before we get started, I am not a financial advisor. Right? I just do very basic stocks, and I hope you stick around if your knowledge is above beginning level. Maybe I might show you a trick or two. I hope. I also left a link down below, so when you join Webull, we both get 2 free stocks, okay? I get 2 for referring you, and you get 2 for spending $100 or more on your first stock. It's a one-time deal. It's a one-and-done deal. Now, they say the stocks that we could get are between $12 to $1,000. I haven't seen anything past 25 bucks, so don't get your hopes up too high. But still, 50 bucks is $50, So just keep that in mind. I've left my link down below, and I appreciate you. Alright, so let's get started. Now, I'm not going to tell you what stocks to buy, okay? Personally, I like the monthly dividend stocks, the ones that pay you on a monthly basis. So use Google, look at their performance history. That's very, very important. See how many times they've been on time and for how long they've been on time. Did they have any months with indiscrepancies, like maybe one month they paid a little less and then they jumped back up? This is your retirement. You have to look at it that this is going to be something that you can have for the rest of your life. Hopefully that they stick around for many more years to come. But, sadly, you just don't know, what could happen to a company. Maybe they go bankruptcy or something, or maybe they sell to another company. If that happens, that might play in your favor, because then the stock price will go up. But then, what's the outcome of the dividend? So, really, study the stocks, look at the performance and everything, and then make your own judgment from there. Okay? So, when is a good time to buy and when is a good time to sell your stock? Personally, like I said, I'm not going to sell mine. I'm going to have it for years down the road. But I got this here as an example. Alright? So let's say you have stock XYZ. I don't even think that exists, but let's just say XYZ. And let's say you've bought stocks, like 4 or 5 times. Well, out of that 4 or 5 times, there's 2 variables that come into play. How much each time you bought the shares for, and how many shares you got. So then they come around with an average. So let's say you bought the stocks, 5 times. Out of that 5 times, your average was $32.14. All right? So now the stock is currently going for $25.50. Is this a good time to buy your stock? Absolutely, because it's lower than your average, okay? But if it's $40 a share and you don't know if it's going to go up or down, you just want to get the dividends, hey, I fully respect that, man. Go for it, This is just, to give you an idea where to go from here, okay? Now, if down the road you have an extreme emergency and you want your money and you don't want to do the dividends or anything, when would be a good time to sell your stock? Of course, you want this number to be higher than your average. So if your average is $32 a share and you see your stock is $35 a share, that's a good time to sell. If this number is less than that, then that's not a good time to sell. You want to always be above your average when you're trying to sell, and you want to do your best to try and buy below your average when you want to buy your stocks, okay? I hope that makes sense. Now, there are some people out there that like to buy and sell all day long. Like I said, I'm a basic kind of guy. I don't do that stuff. There's the old adjective, buy low, sell high. But that gets really confusing, and that goes into more tax money, because now you're dealing with a lot of capital gain stuff, and it's confusing. I'm going to say that right off the get. Well, this concludes Investment Corner. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. And if this is your first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Love to have you as part of the family. And to all my loyal subscribers, thank you so much for being part of my channel. I'm happy that you're here. Well, you all take care of yourself and be safe.